Everyone is someone else's weirdo.
I'm going to steal that, can I say? I love that.
And I don't know anyone who, when you get to know them well, doesn't have any peculiarities that are really weird. I just have them more into the face. My barefootedness comes immediately across.
I don't think that's so strange. By the way,
my skirt.
To be clear, I don't actually think the barefootedness is that strange. I think if I wasn't as self-conscious and it wasn't going to be as complicated for me, I would consider doing it. But I think I am too worried about what society would think, because on one hand, what I do is all about being a bit different. I'm in the public eye. I actually quite like that I'm different, but I also feel myself conforming to the expectations of society. I wear shorts all the time. People are always commenting, "God, what are you doing wearing shorts?" But it's kind of me. So I think we all have, I like this idea that we all have a strangeness. It's how you wear it that counts. And you wear your strangeness with great confidence, in my mind.